Want to ace your IELTS and unlock study, work, or PR opportunities abroad? Stay tuned. I am sharing top tips that guarantee IELTS success and an exclusive offer just for you. Hi, I am Harpreet, your go-to expert for IELTS coaching and study visa success. Whether you are aiming for Canada, UK, Australia, or Europe, IELTS is your first big step, and I'm here to make sure you nail it. Why IELTS is crucial for your study and immigration goal. IELTS is accepted worldwide by universities, employers, and immigration authorities. And a high IELTS score boosts your eligibility for scholarships. It improves your CRS points and fast track visa approvals. Proven IELTS tips to maximize your scores. Tip number 1. Practice all 4 modules listening, reading, writing, and speaking every single day. Tip number 2. Learn the IELTS pattern, that means time yourself. Tip number 3, focus on speaking fluently, not just perfectly. That means you have to be very clear and very confident while you speak. Tip number 4, use official IELTS material and mock tests. Tip number 5, get feedback from expert trainers so that you can work on your weak areas. Benefit of professional coaching. Self-study works, but guided coaching from experienced trainers can increase your scores by 1 to 2 bands. We provide personalized feedback, mock tests, and speaking practice with native speakers. And here's the best part. Enroll yourself in our IELTS coaching program this month and get a 20% discount plus a free speaking mock test session. This offer is limited, so don't miss out. If you want to boost your IELTS score or fast track your study or immigration dreams, then join our proven coaching program now. DM IELTS Boost to grab your discount and book a free mock test. Don't wait, spots are filling fast and your dream score is within your reach. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on study abroad and immigration success. Okay, see you in the next video.